Hi, welcome to Best.js tutorial. In today's lecture, I will show you how to use Cut Polygon tool for digitization. Here you see the previous work that we done. Today we will use Cut Polygon tool for digitization. We digitize these districts with the help of Cut Polygon tool. So go to editor and start the editing and select the select feature tool by here and select this boundary. So the boundary is selected. We will digitize this district which is inside the selected boundary. Go to toolbar and pick the Cut Polygon tool and start digitization. First zoom the map and start digitization. I start from that point and digitize this district by following the path of base map. Digitize the map carefully. Click on that point. So this district is digitized. Now I digitize this district by the same process. This is Cut Polygon tool. Pick this tool and start digitization. Here you can see that I digitized another district with the help of Cut Polygon tool. By this process we can digitize the boundaries which is inside the selected boundary. Now I digitize this one. Now digitize this boundary. These districts are digitized by Cut Polygon tool. By the same process we can digitize these districts. You can see that I am going to digitize this district. So when you digitize all the boundaries such like that map, then go to editor and save your edit and stop editing. You can see that we digitize this district with the help of Cut Polygon tool. So also go to file and save your file. This is all about the use of Cut Polygon tool. I hope you learn the use of Cut Polygon tool. If you have any question in this lecture, please type your question in comment section, and if you are new to our channel, then please subscribe our channel and share it with your friends. It is enough for today. And next lecture we will teach you how to use the reshape tool for such a boundary. Here you can see I miss this boundary, cannot digitize perfectly. In next tutorial I will show you how to digitize such type of boundary with the help of reshape tool. Allah Hafiz.